Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies before you go into it on your real account. So you need to practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, these are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and just the way we're seeing this, okay, this had actually been on uptrend right from here. Okay, it started the uptrend right from here, and it has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend, even though it is still trying to make more attempts on it. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above it. That is when it will go back on downtrend, but wait for all the necessary signals before you go fully into it. Okay, in the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see it selling and selling till it got to this region. It was unable to break out from here, so it's trying to pull back right from there. Okay, but it's possible for it to still try it out again to see if it will break out from there. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out from that support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. It had a major pullback around there, but still went down to crash out below it, and of course it is at this support zone right now. And of course, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. So for now, this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, the next asset, which is going to be crash 500. Okay, it was on uptrend before, right from this support zone till it got to this resistance zone, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it started selling, so till it got to this support zone, and right from there, because it was unable to break out from there, so it started buying again. If it should break out above this particular resistance zone, it's a minor one anyway. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will start selling right from there. But for now, this is still buying, but you should take note of that information which I actually added to it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Right from this support zone, resistance zone, it started selling. You can see the red flag, and it's so till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it's trying to pull back into an uptrend, but it needs to break out from this particular resistance zone. So we are most likely to have more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.